Happy Monday, parents. Math homework tonight. Just a quick review of what it is. What I taught the kids today is really trying to hammer the difference between a word problem and a number sentence. Whenever they see a word problem, I'm really trying to ingrain in them to make a number bond. And you'll see why. The goal is for them to be able to find, okay, what am I missing? What piece am I missing? Another, tricky piece about about word problems is that they don't come right out and always tell the students what it is they're looking for. So I've been trying to talk to them about keywords like total, in all. If parts are going away, then it's subtraction. If parts are joining or coming, it's addition. Fortunately tonight it's all subtraction, but they are throwing a little bit of a curveball in here. The kids did very well with it. So Toby dropped 12 crayons on the classroom floor. Toby picked up 9 crayons. Maria picked up the rest. How many crayons did Maria pick up? Well, I know that 12 got dropped, and I know that Toby picked up 9. As always, I'm looking for a part, so I put my box around it. Subtraction sentence. 12 minus 9 equals box. However they choose to solve it. I'm just going to switch colors here. So I've got 3 and 3. And I really emphasize today why. Well, here's the question. How many crayons did Marie pick up? Well, 3. So what is my statement? M, which I let them shorten their name, picked up 3 because it came from the box. Crayons. Question number 2. Before I even get started. There's my number bond. Gotta have it. Gotta have it. There were 11 students on the playground. Some students went back into the classroom. If 7 students stayed outside, how many students went inside? This is where the curveball came in. I've got 11 students. I know that 7 of them stayed outside. Still, I'm looking for a part. If I were to make a number sentence out of the word problem, I had 11 kids. Some of them went inside, 7 stayed outside. Well, the nice thing is, it's still going to be the same thing. Regardless of the subtraction sentence, they solve the same way. They grab the small number, count to the big number. Grab the small number, count to the big number. I'm still looking for a part. So the way I solve it is the same way, just because the number sentence looks different. So it's 11 minus 4 equals 7. I put my 4's in. How many students went inside? This is another thing that some of our friends are missing. 4 students went inside. Now, I don't mean to take up a ton of time, but I want to expand on this. 12 minus 9 equals blank. 12 minus blank equals 3. And I don't think they ever would, but if they did 3 equals 9 minus blank. Well, what I told them to look for is the subtraction sign. Well, I'm subtracting, I'm subtracting, I'm subtracting. Anytime they have a subtraction, grab the small number, count up to the big number. 9, 10, 11, 12. 3. Grab my small number, count to my big number. Excuse me, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Grab my small number, count to my big number. It doesn't matter what the subtractions problem looks like, they're always grabbing and counting. Because a subtraction problem is nothing more than whole minus a part. I have to find the missing part. And the way I solve that is I grab my part and I count up until I get to my whole. And this is why number bonds are so super important. New spelling words this week. Math tonight. I did send home a reading. Things that swim. We're starting to get into a little bit more nonfiction with the skills. Have a wonderful night. Email if there's any questions.